Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Pratham Test Prep. My name is Girish Bhatt, and in this session we are going to discuss some most expected questions of CUET general test. Like in the last session we have already discussed few questions, few questions that are based on previous year pattern, and this session also we are going to discuss some questions that are based on previous year patterns of CUET, right? So you can expect such questions in your exam this year in 2023. Okay, so today we are going to discuss some questions of coding and decoding, right? Such questions you can expect in your paper, right? So make sure एग्जाम से पहले ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आप प्रैक्टिस कर लो, right? So this is very first question in our screen. It says in a certain code language J is coded as 25 and P is coded as 64. How will T be coded as in that language, right? One very basic question, very easy question, right? How will solve the question? Four options are given here with the question, right? So it says J is coded as 25 and P is coded as 64. So clearly visible 25 and 64, both the numbers are perfect squares, right? 25 is a square of 5. 25 is a square of 5 and 64 is square of 8, right? Is there any relation between J and 5? Try to figure out any relation, or P and 8. Is there any relation? Okay, so we have J, right? What is place value of J? J is place value in English alphabets. What is its place value? J is 10th letter in English alphabets, right? So 10. But here we have 5. This is square of 5. Now what about P? P is 16th letter of English alphabet series, right? But here what we have given? 8. What is the relation between 5, 10, 8, 16? Clearly 10 divided by 2 is nothing but 5, and answer is square of that number, and 16 divided by 2 is nothing but 8, and the answer is a square of that particular number, 8. So try to figure out what is the place value of T. So T's place value is 20, or we can say T is 20th letter of English alphabet series, right? So do the same, apply the same logic. 20 divided by 2, what will get? 10. And what is square of 10? 10 square is nothing but 100. So my answer is option B. So for question number 1, here the correct answer is 10 square. And 10 square is 100. I hope this logic is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next question of the series, right? Okay, so here we have one more question. In a certain code language, cat is coded as 72. Then it says how will dog be coded in that same code language, right? We have given cat is coded as 72, and we are looking for code for the word dog, right? So try to find the relation between cat and 72. So in cat we have 3 letters, C, A and T, right? What is place value of C? It's 3. C is third letter, A is the very first letter, and T is 20th letter. So what is the sum of all 3 place values? C's place value is 3, and A's place value is 1, and T's place value here is 20. So what is the sum of all 3 values? It's 24, right? The sum is 24, but here we have given a number 72, right? Is there any relation between 24 and 72? Can we establish any relation between these two numbers? Yes. What we have, 24 multiplied by 3, you'll get 72. Or we can say 3 times of the sum of all the place values is 72. So try to apply the same logic with the word dog. Is it applicable here? With the help of this logic, is it possible? I'll get out of these 4 in any of the 4 options. Okay, so D, O and G. right? D's place value is 4, O's place value is 15, and G is 7, right? What is the sum of all three place values? 4 plus 15 plus 7, it's nothing but 26, right? Now, 26, sum of place values multiplied with 3. So what I'll get? 78. क्या 78 ऑप्शंस में गिवन है? सी एक बात याद रखना, इन सच केसेस अगर मैंने अपना लॉजिक अप्लाई किया है तो मेरा लॉजिक करेक्ट है या इनकरेक्ट है, हाउ विल आई नो कि मेरा लॉजिक करेक्ट है? जस्ट चेक विद द ऑप्शंस. अगर आपका आंसर ऑप्शंस में आपको दिख रहा है तो दैट मीन्स योर लॉजिक इज करेक्ट. इफ दिस आंसर 78 इज नॉट देयर इन द ऑप्शन, दैट मीन्स देयर इज सम अदर लॉजिक अप्लाइड बाय द एग्जामिनर, राइट? सो हियर 78 is there in the options, that means my logic is correct. I'll get full marks for this particular question in my exam, right? Okay, now moving to the third question of the series. It says, in a certain code language, yearly is written as, we have given some words, some letters, one word, B, F, Z, Z, M, S, right? What will be the code for annual in that same code language, right? 4 options are given. So which option is correct? So in case of coding, word to word coding, right? What we'll do? First thing, आप क्या करो? पूरे word को vertical order में note कर लो. Yearly, Y-E-A-R-L-Y. Then आप vertical order में note कर लोगे ना, तो आपका जो भी logic है वो clearly visible होने वाला है, right? What it says? Yearly is coded as B, F, right? Then M, S, right? This is what we have given here. So, Abhi, is there any relation between Y and B? Yes, they are mirror codes. But what about E and F? Is there any relation? E and F are mirror codes? No. What about A and Z? Yes, they are mirror code. But R and Z, L and M, Y and S, they are not mirror codes. Now, here we have letter Y. अब यहाँ पर देखो Y के नियर बाई कोई लेटर आपको दिख रहा है. Yes, Y के बाद Z आता है. Z is here and here also. So, try to apply this logic here. Y plus 1 is Z. A plus 1 is B. And E plus 1 is F. So plus 1. What we have given? Pattern plus jumbling. Both the logic हम साथ में use कर रहे हैं. During classes आपने देखा होगा, there is a logic of pattern substitution and also there is a logic of jumbling, right? जहाँ पर हम letters हमारे jumble हो जाते हैं. So here this logic is called pattern plus jumbling, right? So Y plus 1 is Z, A plus 1 is B, E plus 1 is F, and here we have our answer. So Y plus 1, R plus S, plus 1 is S, L plus 1 is M. Right, means we are moving one step forward in the English alphabet series, right? This code is divided in 2 equal halves and then apply the logic. So here in this question, now we are looking for code for the word annual, right? What will be the code? What will be the code for annual in the same code language, right? So this is the word annual. Divide it in 2 equal halves, right? Now try to apply the logic. N plus 1 is O, A plus 1 is B, and N plus 1 is O, right? Plus 1 every time. We are doing plus 1, or we can say 1 step forward, right? Now L plus 1 here, that is M. 1 step forward. L के बाद क्या आता है in English alphabet series? That is M. Now U plus 1, that is V, and A plus 1 is B. So this is my answer, right? O, O, B, M, B, V. So which option says this? Option C says this. So here the correct answer for the question is option C, right? I hope this is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next question. In case you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat section, right? Okay. So we have one more question. Very easy question. Now for this particular question, I'm giving you 10 seconds. If anyone wants to try, you have 10 seconds. Try and answer the question, then we'll match the answer, right? We have given one simple question. In a certain code language, easy is written as 222682. In that same code language, how will beam be written as? This is what we have given. So I'm giving you 20 seconds. Okay? You all have 20 seconds. Let's try to answer which option is correct out of these 4 given options. Yes, you all have 20 seconds. Parth says option B. Very good, Parth. What about others? Yes. We are looking for code for... okay, so sorry. This is the question. We are looking for code for the word beam. Anyone wants to try other than Parth? Here we have given easy is coded as 222682. So very first thing in case of number coding, आपको क्या करना है, right? Try to find the place values. What is E's place value? 5. A's place value is 1. S is 19th letter and Y is 25th letter, right? So now 5, but here we have either 2 or 22. Now, is there any relation? Now there is one term called mirror code value. I hope during classes आपने पढ़ा. In case आपने नहीं पढ़ा, do watch the lectures. Mirror code value, right? So what is mirror code value? Mirror code value generally given by 27 minus its place value. Mirror code value is given by 27 minus place value of that particular letter. So place value of E is 5, and what then in that case what is its mirror code value? Nothing but 27 minus 5, that is 22. Yes, now मेरा answer match हो गया. Here very first number is 22. Now A's place value is 1. Then what is mirror code value of A? Nothing but 27 minus A. So 27 minus A, 1. 27 minus place value of A, that is 1. So 26. Correct. Second value is 26. Now S. What is place value of S? Place value of S is 19. So what is its mirror code value? 27 minus 19, that is 8. Excellent. Perfect. ये भी match हो गया. Now last Y. What is mirror code value of Y? 27 minus Y's place value, that is 2. Perfect. So this is the logic here. We are looking for mirror code value of each letter, right? Now our question is, we are looking for mirror code value of these letters. B's place value is 2, E's place value is 5, A's place value is 1, and M is 13th letter, right? So what is mirror code value of B? 27 minus 2 is 25. And what about E? 27 minus 5 is 22. What about A? 27 minus 1 is 26. And 27 minus 13 is 14. 2, 5, 2, 2, 6, 1, 4. Which option says this? Option B says this, and B is the right answer for this particular question. Very good part. Okay, now moving to the next question. So again, for this particular question, you all have 20 seconds. Yes. You all have 20 seconds. Just try to answer the question. Which option is correct out of given 4 options? A, B, C, D. We have given Pratham is coded as KIZGSZN. They're in that certain in a certain code language. What will be the code for connect? Yes. You all have 20 seconds. I'm giving you 20 seconds. Let's see. कोई answer करता है क्या? For this particular question. Question is very easy. Simply it says Pratham is coded as this, then we are looking for code for the word connect. So here what we have given Pratham. And what is the code for Pratham? K I Z G S. Okay, this is what we have given. So last question we have discussed mirror code value. Then there is one more term we have, that is mirror code. What is mirror code? Mirror code क्या होता है? So mirror code basically बात करें, A is the very first letter and its mirror code is सबसे last वाला letter and the last letter is Z. So A and Z are mirror codes. मैं बात करूं B की, B is the second letter in the alphabet series and अगर last से बात करें, last से second letter is Y. So B and Y, they are mirror codes. Similarly, third letter from the beginning is C and अगर backward direction में third letter की बात करें, that is X, they are mirror codes. Similarly, D and W, they are mirror codes. Right. So here we have logic of mirror code values. Only mirror codes. Right. P and K, they are mirror codes. You can remember this mirror code with the help of your name of your book, Knowledge Primer, KP. Right. K and P are mirror code values. Right. Your name of our book, Logical Reasoning book, is Knowledge Primer, KP. So they are mirror codes. I and R are also mirror codes. A and Z, as I told you, they are mirror code. T and G are mirror codes. G is 7th letter from the beginning and T is 7th letter from the last part, end part. है ना, backward direction में अगर हम बात करेंगे. H and S are mirror codes. Similarly, A and Z, M and N, they are mirror codes. So now we are looking for code for the word connect. Right. What is the code? C's mirror code value X. O is L. What about N? N and M are mirror codes. What about E? E's mirror code is V. Right. What about C? X. What about T? G. So this is my answer. Which option says this? That will be the correct answer. Here we have M, right? Mirror code value of N is M. X, L, M, M, V, X, G. That is option B correct for this particular question also, right? I hope this is clear to everyone. Now moving to the next question. If symbol is written as N, Z, T, M, P, C in a certain code, how will select written in that code? In some code language, symbol is coded as this, then what is the code for the word select? So what we have given? Symbol. Symbol is coded as N, Z, T, P, C. And we are looking for code for the word select. Right, this is what we have given. So symbol S and N, is there any relation? Y and Z is +1, we can say, but S and N, is it +1? No, this is not +1. So any letter near to S here in the code, yes, T is here. So S +1 is T. Similarly, M +1 is N and Y +1 is Z. This is what? Similar logic that we have applied in one question earlier, right? Jumbling plus pattern. हमें pattern भी apply करना and jumble भी करना letters को. S +1 is T, M +1 is N, Y +1 is Z. Similarly, B +1 is C, and this pattern is very common for your exam, right? L +1 is M, and what about O +1? That is P. Every time jumbling plus +1 means one step forward, right? Do the same with the letter. Divide the word in two parts. L plus 1 is M, S plus 1 is T, and E plus 1 is F. T plus 1 is U, E plus 1 is F, and C plus 1 is D. So MFT UDF. Which option says this? MFT UDF. That is option A correct for this particular question. Right. Now moving to the next question. Here it says monkey is coded as this. We are looking for code for the word jackal. Yes, anyone of you wants to try the question? You have 20 seconds. किसी भी बच्चे को try करना है. Out of the given 4 options, which option is correct? Question is again very easy question. And this is again very common pattern for your exam. You can expect such questions in your exam, right? So monk is coded as this. Then what is the code for the word jackal? So monkey, we have given monkey, right? Monkey is coded as X, D, J, M, N and L, right? So M and X, is there any relation between these two, M and X? No, there is no relation. O and D, बिल्कुल weird लग रहे दोनों बहुत दूर दूर है. There is no relation between these two letters. Now check, M के आसपास का कोई letter even +1 या -1, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में +1 -1 और बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में +1 -1 M में करने से क्या यहाँ पर कोई लेटर आपको दिख रहा है? Yes, N and L. 2 letters are there. N is +1, L is -1. Now what about O? O -1 is N. Right, clearly visible, but O plus 1 is P. That is not visible here. That means concept is based on concept of -1. So what we have given? M -1 here. M, 1 step backward is L. O, 1 step backward is N. Right. Similarly, हम आगे का केस चेक करेंगे. What will get? N -1 is M. Yes, perfect. K -1 is J. E -1 is D. And Y -1 is X. So क्या किया हमने? पूरे कोड को -1 कर दिया इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. पहले तो कोड को हमने रिवर्स ऑर्डर में नोट किया एंड देन -1 कर दिया. डू दी सेम विद द वर्ड J A C K A L. Right. So L -1. What is L -1? K. Right. A -1 is Z. K -1 J. Right. Then what is C -1? That is B. A -1 is Z and J -1 is I. So which option says this? That will be the correct answer. Means हमने क्या करना है? इस वर्ड को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में नोट करना है. L A K C A J. Then -1. L -1 is K. A -1 is Z. K -1 is J. C -1 is B. A -1 is Z. And J -1 is I. So this is the answer. Which option says this? Option C says this, I guess. Yes. So C is the right answer for this particular question, right? So here we have one more question, and this is again very common pattern for your exam, right? From coding and decoding. It says study the data given below and answer the following questions. Royal Monarch Regal is written as @# *. Then we have given 4 codes are given. Code number 1, this is code number 2, and this is code number 3. And code number 4. 4 codes are given here. Now question says, what will be the code for gold legacy? Right. We are looking for code for the word gold legacy. So where is gold? पहले गोल्ड फाइंड करते, हियर इज द गोल्ड एंड ऑल्सो, सो गोल्ड हमें सेकेंड एंड थर्ड कोड में मिला. चेक if only gold is common here in these two codes, only word gold is common here, right? So check कौन सा symbol common है, because gold word के लिए same symbol use हो रहा होगा and that symbol is percentage, right? This is the symbol used here, right? This word gold is common and only symbol common is percentage. So I can say gold is coded as percentage. Now legacy is here and also कहीं भी common नहीं है, right? Now how will find legacy कैसे? So what we'll do, try to eliminate the word regal, right? Regal is here, also regal is here. In code number 1 and 2 only regal is common. In code 1 and code 2 only regal is common. What is the common code in 1 and 2? Star. So star is the code for regal, right? And gold के लिए is the symbol percentage. Now here we are only left with legacy and here the only code left is question mark. So we can clearly say legacy is coded as question mark, right? Since regal is already eliminated, regal is common in first and second and the common code in first and second is a star, right? So only code left here is percentage and only word left here is legacy. So legacy is coded as percentage. Now अभी हम लोग एग्जाम में मिस्टेक क्या करते हैं, हम लोग ढूंढते हैं ऐसे परसेंटेज एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क इसी सीरियल में. इज इट? नो, ये किसी भी सीरियल में हो सकते हैं आंसर में, राइट? बिकॉज this is not direct substitution, this is scrambled substitution type, right? वो किसी भी फॉर्म में हो सकते हैं. आप यहाँ देखोगे रॉयल, मोनार्क, रीगल. इज इट? क्या ये सेम पैटर्न में? इज इट रॉयल इज कोडेड एज @ एंड मोनार्क इज कोडेड एज हैज एंड नो, ऐसा नहीं है, वो किसी भी ऑर्डर में है. तो आपके आंसर में गोल्ड लेगेसी के लिए जो कोड है परसेंटेज एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क, इट कुड बी लाइक ऐसे हो सकते हैं या फिर क्वेश्चन मार्क पहले एंड परसेंटेज बाद में, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. दैट इज ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल आंसर, राइट? सो हियर द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. बहुत से बच्चे क्या करते हैं, बहुत से स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर नन ऑफ दीज मार्क कर देते बिकॉज वो इसी सीरियल में इसको सर्च करते. परसेंटेज एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क, नो, ये किसी भी सीरियल में हो सकता है बिकॉज दिस इज स्क्रैम्बल्ड डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन, दिस इज नॉट फिक्स्ड डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन, राइट? This type is always based on a scrambled direct substitution. So वो किसी भी order में हो सकता है. I hope this is clear to everyone. In case you have any doubt in these questions, you can ask in the comment section, right? I'll try to answer your queries, right? And in case you are facing any problem in any other topic of logical reasoning, you can mark your queries in the comment section so that we'll work on those queries and उन particular topic में भी हम videos बना सकते हैं, tricky videos, right? अभी के लिए this is done, right? Thank you everyone. Bye bye.